Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix your device is not part of the Netflix household for this account, right? Seems like you're asking for information or guide on how to fix the device is not part of the Netflix household. This error is related to Netflix's account sharing restrictions where the service detects if the device or if a device is being used outside the primary household associated with the account. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to potentially fix the issue. So first of all, go ahead and type the issue right here, and what you're gonna do, make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi network that is designated as your Netflix household. Netflix uses the IP address and device IDs of this network to determine the household, and make sure that you update Netflix to the latest version by going to your App Store or Google Play. Outdated apps may not properly communicate with Netflix's servers and causing errors. And what you're gonna do next in order to fix that problem, you need to sign out and sign in again. Try signing out of Netflix and your device and signing back in. This can refresh your device's connection to Netflix and may resolve that issue. And if you're using a shared account, ensure the account holder has not removed your device from the approved list. You might need to ask them to verify or add your device again, and then make sure if you're the account holder, you may need to set up or update your Netflix household. Okay. And then what you're gonna do, request a temporary access code. If you're traveling or using a device outside of your household, Netflix may allow you to request a temporary access code to use the service for a limited period. And then if that problem persists, contact Netflix support for further assistance. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.